Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Aave with Voyager, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Aave using Voyager, start by downloading the Voyager app from your device's app store. Once installed, create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Verify your email to activate your Voyager account. Next, complete the required identity verification process, which may include providing personal information and uploading identification. After verification, sign in to your Voyager account. Ensure you fund your account by linking a bank account or debit card to transfer money. Once your account is funded, look for Aave in the investment options. You can find Aave by using the search bar within the app. Select Aave from the list of cryptocurrencies. Review the current market price and performance metrics of Aave. Decide how much money you want to invest in Aave. Input your investment amount in the designated field. Confirm your order details before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, finalize your purchase of Aave by pressing the Buy button. After your purchase is confirmed, you can track your investment through the Voyager portfolio section. Monitor the performance of Aave regularly for market trends and potential profit opportunities. Consider setting alerts for price changes to stay informed about your investment. That's how you can successfully invest in Aave using the Voyager app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.